colored rice.
Okay, can I have that? Can I have that?
But you have the rice first. Pour it in a container. Pour it in this. All the rice, all of it. Okay, you can spread it out. Okay. Now this is vinegar and food coloring, just to give it some color. Okay, now you can pour carefully that all over, and then I'm going to give you something to mix it up. Okay?
More, Mom.
More? I think that's enough. You can get more rice, but that's enough. Here's a little fork. Here's a little fork. You can use your little fork and mix it up. Here you go.
No, use the straw.
Use my straw.
Straw, not the fork. The fork will be The fork will be messy.
Okay. Here you go. We can make that messy. No? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so go. Stir, stir. May I have the test tube? Thank you.
You can mix it in.
Right, you're gonna mix it until all the rice is blue. Alright, so Tyler is helping me to make colored rice. It's very simple. Then we're gonna let it dry after. And there you have your colored rice. You can add more color if you want. Just add a little, what is it called again, Tyler? It's food coloring. I'm sure you wouldn't be able to tell me. But yeah, that's it. Colored rice.
Okay, here you go, Mom.
Okay, finished? Alright, so we're gonna put it to dry, okay?